Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a algebraic equation question, and with that in mind, let's dive straight into it. So in 1.1.1, we've got x squared minus 5x minus 6, and immediately our eyes are drawn to the square, and we're also drawn to the three terms. So in this instance, we not only have a quadratic equation, we also have a trinomial, and when we have a trinomial, we're able to factorize that nice and simply. Right, remember, when we've got a negative sign over there, it means we're going to have two different signs in each of the brackets. Because we have a coefficient of 1 over there, we know we can just write x and x at the front of those brackets. We also have a 6 over there, so 6 is simply, so here we need to find two numbers that multiply to 6, which is going to be 6 times 1, and we need to find two numbers that subtract to give you 5, and that is 6 minus 1, so 6 and 1 are the ones. We need to put the bigger number where the minus is, and that's going to be 6 and 1. Therefore, we know that either x plus 1 equals 0 or x minus 6 equals 0, and that's going to give us x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 6. And that is a couple of marks straight into your back pocket. Thank you so much for tuning in. A very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website to check out more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.